Kate Bonner for KBTV Online. Thanks for joining. So, after all the emotional wear and tear of growing up and reaching adulthood, some of us have what is popularly being referred to as quote-unquote trust issues. Well, what if you could take a little sniff, a little whiff of a spray bottle and have all that emotional scar tissue evaporate? That is exactly what New York-based Vero Labs is selling, and it's called Liquid Trust. It all started June 1 of 2005 when a group of Swiss researchers announced an astonishing discovery that when people inhale oxytocin, which is a natural chemical produced in the brain, that they suddenly become more trusting of other people. And I'm going to quote from the study. Oxytocin is a chemical in the brain that specifically affects an individual's willingness to accept social risks arising through interpersonal interactions. We find that intranasal administration of oxytocin causes a substantial increase in trusting behavior. This groundbreaking study was set up by a Swiss researcher named Ernst, and this is what the study looked like. It was basically a faux sales call. There were a group of salespeople, and then there were the potential customers. Well, all of the customers were given a whiff of this spray bottle of oxytocin. Then the salespeople went out and basically asked for their money. Well, 45% of the potential customers handed over all of their money without any expectation of getting their money back. Also, around the same time in December of 2005, there was a study published in the Journal of Neuroscience, and it was conducted by the National Institute of Mental Health. Basically, what they established is that oxytocin, it not only raises your trust level, but it also interrupts what's called the amygdala, which is essentially your fear circuitry, and it establishes a delay response. When you sense fear, it disrupts that. Not surprisingly, shortly after these studies were published in 2005, shock and horror in the media. The politicians were going to spray their contingencies in order to engender trust for disreputable purposes. So what do we make of Vero Labs, the company that is actually marketing this as a product? No way a proponent of dishonorable or dishonest or immoral causes. But they do say that just when you get out of the shower in the morning, spray yourself with some liquid trust and you'll create a more trusting atmosphere. So is liquid trust just snake oil? Well, even the original Swiss researchers, they say they have their doubts because they say it takes about an hour to 2 hours to even take effect for this trusting atmosphere. But some beg to differ because like a lot of hormones, oxytocin has a wide array of effects. One is encouraging animals to interact, again, cementing pair bonds, and third, it's supposed to increase people's ability to have and the veracity of orgasms. Thanks for joining today. I'm Kate Bonner for KBTV Online. For more information, go to www.kbtvonline.com. Click on Contact, shoot us an email. We'll be sure to get back to you.